pair of linear equations in two variables. In this video, now we will discuss the method for solving a pair of linear equation by cross multiplication method. In our earlier videos, we have already learnt about three methods, that is graphical method, substitution method and elimination method. So now we will check the methodology for solving cross multiplication method. For that we are taking an example of a pair of linear equations, that is 2x plus 3y equal to 12 and x plus y equal to 5. This is my equation number 1 and this is my equation number 2. For solving in the method of cross multiplication, first we have to do what? We have to make the equations in a way so that the right hand side will be a 0. So first equation can be written as 2x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0, and the next equation can be written as x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. So in this way we have to write the equations at first so that right hand side will be a 0. Okay. So by cross multiplication method, you can write x by, what will be there? We will just leave the coefficients of x, we multiply by cross way. Okay, so 3 will be multiplied by minus 5, that is minus 50, minus 12 will be multiplied by 1, so that is minus 12. Okay, the in between sign, this middle sign will be minus always, equal to y by, we will leave the coefficients of y, so then we will start from the right hand side. The coefficients will be multiplied in the cross way, so that is minus 12 will be multiplied by 1, that is minus 12, minus 1 will be 2 will be multiplied by minus 5, that is minus 10, equal to 1 by, we will leave now the constant part, so 2 will be multiplied by 1, that is 2, minus 3 will be multiplied by 1, that is 3. So now we can write x by minus 5 plus 12 equal to y by minus 12 plus 10 equal to 1 by minus 1. So here x by minus 3 equal to y by minus 2 equal to minus 1. So from these we can write, as each one is equal, so we can write x by minus 3 equal to minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 into minus 3. So that is x equal to 3. Also y by minus 2 equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 2 into minus 1, that is y equal to 2. So here my answer is x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. I hope you all understand this cross multiplication method. So stay tuned for the solution of the exercise of this chapter. Thank you.